Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to show you guys another dish that we like to bring to parties, or in this case, the upcoming Super Bowl. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're
living the Newcomb life. This recipe is a great recipe to take to a party. Everybody loves it, but I'm not sure they always know they love it. Once they try it, they're like, oh my gosh, that's so good. We are gonna make hot artichoke dip today. And so we're gonna get started with a can of artichoke hearts. These are actually recipe ready, which is really cool. They're already cut up or like diced up, but you have to drain the liquid that's on these off. I have my little sieve here, and we're going to just pour off the liquid that's on our artichoke hearts. They did not used to sell them this way. It's pretty amazing that they do. This will cut your time down. But if you can only find whole artichoke hearts in your grocery store, you just take them out and cut them into little pieces. And for many, many years I have done that, but we happen to find these at the grocery store already ready for a recipe. So that's all there is to it. I have made this with marinated artichoke hearts before, so if that's all you can find in your grocery store, go ahead and get those. They're usually marinated in like an oil and vinegar type of marinade, and it makes the recipe taste great too. So we've got our artichoke hearts here in the bowl. We're going to add 1 package of Lipton Onion Soup mix. Super easy. We're just going to sprinkle this on top of our artichoke hearts. We are going to add in 1 cup of mayonnaise, whatever mayonnaise you prefer, you can use for this. I think ours is Hillman's. So I'm going to mix this together. And we've got 1/2 cup of sour cream. Ours is Daisy, but you can use anything that you want. And the nice thing about this recipe is you kind of just dump it in the bowl, mix everything together, put it in your crock, and put it in the oven, and you are all set to go. 30 minutes later, you have an awesome dip to take to the party. So you can throw this in the oven while you're getting ready to go to your party, and by the time you're ready, it's done. So we've got everything mixed together, and you can see that the Lipton Onion Soup mix has kind of made it like creamy brown color. And then the last thing we're going to add before we put it in our crock is 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I just used the pre-shredded mozzarella cheese, but you can most certainly shred your own if that's what you wish. So it's 1 cup. Mine was actually frozen. And we thawed it out for this recipe. So we're going to get that all mixed in. We have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to go ahead and pour our artichoke and cheese mixture into our casserole here. So when you guys eat dips, what's your favorite dipper? For me, it all depends on what the dip is. For this artichoke dip, this is really great with like a pita chip. But you know, dips like salsa, I prefer a tortilla chip. So what's your favorite dipper? Especially for artichoke dip. Leave that in the comments below. All right, here we go. Here is our hot artichoke dip. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 30 minutes, and we'll come right back and let you take a look at it. We'll see you in just a moment. Wow, that smells terrific. I wish y'all had smell-o-vision. We just took our hot artichoke dip out of the oven, It's sizzling hot. I can hear it, but it smells delicious. I think it's time for a taste test.
Did somebody say taste test? All right, guys, so we are going to use these chips that Dawn made. In fact, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you guys can check out how to make your own chips. This is a really quick and easy way to make your own chips. But the good thing about these is these are low carb. They are fantastic. They're very light and crispy. So check out that video and let us know what you think. But we're going to try this artichoke dip and see how it tastes.
It's gonna be hot.
That's all right.
Ooh, see the
Wow.
cheese?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can see it steaming there. Ooh.
I was gonna eat this and That is delicious.
That is amazing. You would not think that it would have that much flavor, but
Artichokes are really flavorful.
that is outstanding. And you know what? I gotta say, out of some of the dips and things that we bring, cheese ball, buffalo chicken dip, and all of those others, this is one of the ones that people really get surprised about, because when they take it at the time, they're not really sure what they're eating. And then when they eat it, they're amazed at how flavorful that it is and that it's from artichokes. That's awesome.
Yep. It's delicious. You got to try this. Super easy, super quick, and it's a hit when you take it to a party.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the cheese.
Yeah, look at all of that. That is awesome.
It's hot, though. It is delicious.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye. Cheesy, creamy, but has that savory taste to it. So good.